First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rafida Azara, and you can call me Yaya or Rara. And I'm standing in front of you all. I'm now storytelling about Peace Save on Saturday. You know what day today?